Hey everyone, in this guide, I'll show you over the best deck for Arena 2 in Clash Royale. Let's get started. So for the Arena 2, the strongest and the most consistent deck you can use is the Giant Beatdown deck. With an average elixir cost 3.3. It's an easy, reliable, and free-to-play friendly way to dominate your matches. And the win condition is your Giant, which is still your main win condition here. Just like Arena 1, drop him at the back and let your elixir build, then stack support troops behind him for massive push. You can add musketeers plus archers for the support cards, and also the bombers. And for defense, use a mini P.E.K.K.A, your defensive MVP. It destroys the enemy tanks and becomes a deadly counter push threat that you can place a giant in front of him afterward. And for the cycle cards, you can deploy a goblins or spear goblins, which are both cheap cards that help distract, defend, or cycle your deck quickly when you need a momentum. And for the spell, use a fireball. No arrow for this deck. Fireball is perfect of removing the musketeers, which and any group troops are building, blocking your giant path. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.